I want to be clear. What we're talking about are individuals who are part of our workforce today.
State and local business leaders say the Trump administration's latest immigration change targets more than 1 million working asylum seekers legally in this country.
The work permit renewal delays hurt businesses and communities. If employees no longer have valid work authorization, the employer can no longer continue to employ them, and businesses lose valuable staff that they've hired and trained.
The Trump administration says these changes are in response to an Afghan national accused of killing a National Guard soldier and wounding another in our nation's capital. Afghanistan is one of 19 countries now banned from immigration visas.
As a result, individuals who previously held a work permit now no longer have access to work authorization.
There's no legitimate public policy reason to strip away work authorization from people who have a right to work under our laws and have done everything the federal government has asked of them.
Maine's agriculture, healthcare, and lobster industries all say they depend on asylum seekers and immigrants to fill much-needed jobs.
When you cannot staff roles in those production facilities, you cannot produce seafood.
Luke's Lobster paints a grim picture of Maine's economic future if the state loses these valuable employees.
You will see people in seafood production and all sorts of other production industries close their doors.
The consequences here are obvious. Maine residents will lose their jobs, they'll struggle to meet basic needs, and families will be destabilized.
Homeland Security plans to make even more changes to potentially restrict access to work permits for asylum seekers. They plan to stop the permitting process for new applicants and force them to wait a year before they can even apply.